Unlimited Memory by Kevin Horsley. Chapter 2. Use the C method. Have you ever gotten to the bottom of a page you just read, only to find that you forgot what you read? This happens to many of us. But why? It's because you did not use your imagination while reading. You see, memory is not a photographic process, but a creative one. For instance, when you read a novel, the words you read translate into a movie in your head. You begin to visualize the characters, the setting, and the events happening. When it comes to non-fiction books, however, this creative process doesn't happen. Some try to remember what they've read by repeating the words over and over again until they understand. But this technique doesn't quite work. Instead, you must learn to create images of what you're trying to learn. Of course, learning this way will take some practice, so to help you, just use the C method. C stands for senses, exaggerate, and energize. So let's take a look at the word apple. When you think of an apple, you can see it, taste it, smell it, and even touch it in your mind. The letters APPLE, however, never once entered your mind, right? Now, you'll want to exaggerate it. Perhaps instead of imagining a normal-sized apple, you imagine an apple as tall as a skyscraper. Forget logic. You don't need your imagination to be realistic. It's all about making funny images in your mind. Lastly, you'll need to energize or give energy to your images. Make your apple dance. Give it arms, legs, or even a face. Remember, you're creating a movie in your mind, so make it as entertaining as possible. You can further bring information to life by breaking down words into parts. Say you're trying to learn capitals of cities and countries. Many people just simply try to memorize them and hope they retain the information. Instead, try making it fun. Let's take a look at the capital of Australia, Canberra. If you want to remember it, then use your senses by visualizing a kangaroo eating some berries. Learning doesn't have to be serious. Have fun with it. Play with your imagination and your memory will be better. You can also use this technique when trying to learn a foreign language. For instance, the Spanish word for sun is sol. Think of the sun burning the sole of your foot, or take the Japanese word forchest, which is mune. Try to picture money growing out of your chest. As you can see, using your imagination to bring your movie to life is the key to remembering information.